Oh my God! What have y'all done? Excuse me, boys. Who did this? Who did it?
Wyatt.
Wyatt did it? Wyatt fell down, Bubba.
Don't slip on
I
the
better not.
Don't crunch him, Bubba.
Be careful, he's choking. You okay, Boo-Boo? Are you okay? What's Wyatt doing with that thing? Huh?
He lit the shit.
Did he make this mess? Who made the mess?
Me.
You did? Really? I thought it was Wyatt.
It was me.
Oh, really?